Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Paul from 123 Drone, and thanks again for tuning in. So in this video, which is going to be a very short video, I just wanted to go through one of the recent jobs that I've completed for a client. First of all, I run a drone business in the UK. I work in Kent and also the southeast of England, but I also cover other parts of the UK as well. So this video will cover a recent job that I've just completed for a client. I've asked their permission if I can show the video, and they're happy for me to do so. There will be a full tutorial coming on this, but this is more to sort of show you the problem that was solved, if you like, for the client, and explain a little bit about who this type of job could be for. So I had a client that's got a construction site that he's going to be starting this year, and the planning's already been consented, but there's some amendments being made to the plan. So he's now looking at quite a large area of commercial space underneath a block of apartments. So initially he wanted some concept drawings that he could send to an agent who's going to be targeting supermarket chains, etc., for the commercial space. However, having looked at some recent projects that I've completed using AI, he asked if there was any way that we could maybe create some video concept visuals, if you like, of actually the building itself, the commercial space, and also flying into the premises. So I asked him if he had any renders, or his architect had any renders or any 3D imagery that we could use. And he sent me some, in fact I'll put on the screen what he sent me. So they were quite basic. There was no street scenes, if you like, very basic. Well, I suppose there was a street scene, but it was a 2D picture. So I had to look at how to create the street scene as well. So the end result was we created a location-led video, which hopefully will give any interested parties a clear picture of where the site is, and also some good concept visuals of what the building is going to look like, and also potentially what the commercial space could look like underneath. I'm going to show you the video now, but the full tutorial will be coming, because I did use some different techniques, if you like, compared to the last video, and I'll put a link to the last video in the description. I did use some different software to create some of the internal video for the commercial space, which I think you'll find very useful if you watch the next tutorial. And please remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, please enjoy the video.